Alright, welcome back to the video. Today we're over at Jacob's house. You have Alex and his finally completed STI over there giving it his wash. You have Jacob inside his garage working on his 8.6. I think he's preparing his Verislip. And today we're gonna finally attempt the coils. I mean, not the coils, the freaking springs. Holy shit, on the Golfar. Let's go ahead and jack her up. So we're starting with the rear since I heard it was a bit easier. These two are 18s right here and there's one 13 right over there. So we're gonna go ahead. I have my ratchet. Jacob's using the impacts right now, but we'll go ahead and get these guys off and then pull out that spring. Alright, so those two 18s and the 13 are now out. As you can see, this arm is now basically gone. And this spring, I'm gonna put it on the camera to grab the spring out. Actually, can I do it like this? Twist this guy out. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna grab this guy out. Give me one sec. So this is the OEM spring besides the EMD spring. You can tell the EMD spring is a little bit shorter, so that'll probably help in lowering it. EMD also provides these nice new, I think these are called what? Like reverse rake something. Isolators. I don't remember what they're called. We'll go ahead and get this guy installed right there. So the springs are inside now. Jacks are out. We're gonna go ahead and lower it down. So right now, I just use the M14 and an 18 to crack this side. We're gonna go ahead and take off the strut assembly. Make sure you do take off the cowl and open up, take off the clip to access these bolts right here. The 18 up here is being a little stubborn, so I'm going to use a little spray with a little PB blaster. Probably should have done that first, but I'll go ahead and soak this side and the other side. After way too long, we finally got the strut out. We have a side-by-side with the EMD spring. We didn't have the strut spreaders tool, so I asked most people on the forum and they said to use a 1/4 inch ratchet, which, seemed to do the trick. Kind of messed it up, but she's out of here. It took way too long. It took us about like an hour and a half, 2 hours to get this shit out. And we are tired, but at least it's finally out. Sun's starting to go down, so we gotta go work fast. Stock spring is out. EMD spring is in here. For that top 21 there, we had to use Jacob's air impact, but the EMD spring is in. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down. We'll put it in the car. Little tragedy though on the other side. Jacob was working on getting the strut out on this side, and like I said, we don't have like the right tools or everything, but he may have gotten hit in the eye by this jack. I'm really sorry, Jacob. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get these guys out, finish up as fast as I can because we are losing light. So I'm gonna try to get this guy put in, work on the other side, and then we'll film after that. We got the driver's side out, which was for some reason way easier than the passenger side. Here's the passenger side with the EMD spring. Here's the driver's side with the stock spring in it still. Oh my gosh, man, it's been long. But we'll go ahead and use the air impact to get the spring out, put the EMD spring in, get these guys inside. Hopefully we get it done before the sun's down. It's about, let me check the time, 4:15 right now, so we still got, say, about an hour of light left. So we'll go ahead and work on this and update you guys when we are done. We finished the spring install yesterday night, but it was too late to film anything, so it's too dark also. But today's a new day, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how it looks. Dude, I am so pumped. Holy crap, it's so much better, especially with these SA10Rs now. It's a really, really nice ride height. Yesterday, drove it to go get some food, and surprisingly, these springs are not as bouncy. I really read that the EMD springs like kind of retain stock comfort, and it's kind of true. Rides really, really nice, and you can definitely tell the difference once you put it into race mode and you put it puts the dampers stiffer. So yeah, it's pretty clean fitment too. Probably gonna get better tires soon though, but for the most part, I'm really happy about how this turned out. I've been waiting so long, holy crap. Huge thanks to Stratified. We just finished up our protein, and Alex from Stratified went ahead and sent me some stickers looking pretty cool, so those like go on the car.